Hi everyone, this is Towers Bull once again, and still we're on the first day in Cornwall. And from UK bus tour, we reached this dazzling place. Oh my god, how can you resist not to drop by to this place? So everybody decided to stay for a bit and explore the area. So guys, welcome to St. Ives Cornwall. St. Ives is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Cornwall. So this is the town center, and as you can see, it's so busy with tourists. One of the most recommended best family holiday getaway. Visiting Cornwall is not complete without tasting their famous Cornish pasty. I was just following the crowd going to the beach, according to them. It's probably surprising, but we'll see what it is. There you go. Wow, this is really, really dazzling beautiful. That's why they call it the Jewel of Cornwall. Wow, beautiful. It's back. Okay, we're going down to feel the sand then. No regret at all. I can feel the sand. Check this out. This is really, really relaxing and refreshing in here. So natural. Everybody's enjoying. What a feeling! Everybody's enjoying. The ambience is great. This is really, really a good break for the hectic schedule of work in the city. And family enjoying, kids are enjoying. This is so relaxing. Stress-free. Regret to stop by, really? Wow, this is really cool. Although we have a long way because it's afternoon already, but probably tomorrow we have to come back here. The other way around from Penzance, probably bus tour. So we have only less time, but at least first day, worth it. Guys, time to go home because it's late afternoon already and we're still waiting for our bus tour. We have to hop in to go back to New Keys. So day 1, awesome. We make the most of it, and probably tomorrow we're going back again from the other bus tour route. This is really good experience for today. Wow, this is really good. Now probably I'll see you around. We're heading back to the bus station, bus pickup. So cheers, see you next time. So excited for day 2 tomorrow. Don't forget, see you around. Cái hấp dẫn. Adiós.